If you handle packing tape on a regular basis, you know there's no greater terror than this. The invisible tape edge. You spin the roll, hold it up to the light, run your fingers around every inch. And then when you finally find the edge, you pick it, pull at it, reload it in your dispenser, and wait for it to happen all over again. It's time to turn the tables on your tape. Mighty Line Tape presents the Tape Terror, our brand new contractor-grade tape dispenser designed specifically to let your tape snap off cleanly and evenly every single time. The Tape Terror's latex tension spool keeps the roll tight no matter the size, and our support tab design keeps the edge safely away from the rest of the roll, so your next piece of tape is always within easy reach. The Tape Terror holds any tape up to 2 inches wide with a 3-inch core. It's simple, affordable, and easy to use. Learn more at mightylinetape.com.